Ever looked under your boiler and seen a jumble of pipes? I'm from Boilers2Go, and today I'll decode what each one does. Most UK Combi boilers follow a standard layout with 6 main connections. Knowing which is which can save you a lot of stress. First is the gas supply pipe, usually thicker copper. It brings fuel from your meter to ensure your boiler runs at full output. Next is the mains cold water inlet. This brings fresh water directly into the boiler to be heated instantly whenever you turn on a hot tap. Then we have the hot water outlet. This carries that freshly heated water straight to your showers and taps throughout your home. Pipes 4 and 5 are your central heating flow and return. These circulate hot water through your radiators to keep your house warm and cozy. Finally, the condensate pipe, usually white plastic. This safely carries away acidic wastewater produced during the heating process. Understanding your pipework helps you spot issues early. For more expert advice, make sure to follow Boilers2Go. See you in the next one.